This is Reggae Boy Romario Williams. You're watching Eddy Vision. Like, subscribe, and share.
Greetings, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Eddy Vision. I see that you've been watching and liking the videos, but I want you to subscribe. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss another video. Now, Steven Gerrard delivers exciting Leon Bailey verdict ahead of Aston Villa return. Steven Gerrard hopes that when back to full health, Villa are able to keep Bailey at that level so that they can enjoy and benefit from his quality. He could return at Newcastle United. Leon Bailey is well on his way to making his Aston Villa return, and he could even be involved on Sunday when Steven Gerrard leads his Lions to Newcastle. The summer signing, 24, hasn't been seen in a claret and blue shirt since the beginning of December, when after half an hour of Villa's 2-1 defeat to Manchester City, he was forced off with a muscle injury. Bailey, who has a single goal to his name, that coming in the 3-0 win over Everton at the beginning of the season. He is finally back in training and he has an outside chance of travelling to Tyneside this weekend, provided he can prove he is fit enough. His return will be an exciting addition for Gerrard, who in his absence has added Philippe Coutinho to his final third ranks too. With Anwar El Ghazi and Trezeguet out the door, Bailey will boost Gerrard's existing forward options. The Villa boss hopes too that when back to full health, Villa are able to keep Bailey at that level so that he can enjoy and benefit from his quality. It is, after all, the reason the club spent £25 million on him in the summer. Yes, he did part of a session on Monday. Tuesday, he did a full session for the first time, so he's back in the group and back in full training, Gerrard confirmed. We need to keep him fit and healthy from now on until the end of the season because he's a big player. He's a big investment for the club. He should feel like a new signing for all of us because he's a big talent. He feels like he's in a good place, but we just need to be patient for the next week. 10 days and then I'm sure he'll be ready to go full throttle and right in. So there you have it, Gerrard speaking highly of Jamaican Leon Bailey. The team wants to add that quality, of a Leon Bailey, but they're very cautious. They're very cautious because he has been injured since, pretty much going to Aston Villa. So Gerrard understands that and wants him back to full health. It's a big investment. They spoke about all that money spent on him. So they want him back, 100% and firing. So it's good to hear. It's good to know that Gerrard sees young Leon Bailey as part of his plans going forward and can't wait to really unleash the Jamaican in the Premiership once again. Jamaicans are waiting. Jamaicans have been waiting for the return of Leon Bailey. It's possible that he can be a part of the squad to face Newcastle, but it's a wait and see at this moment. So we're hoping and we're glad to see Leon Bailey back in full training and with a chance of playing against Newcastle, back in contention. Let me know in the comment section, do you think Leon Bailey has something to offer to this Villa team? Do you think he will have a good connection with Philippe Coutinho? Do you think he will be a good fit in Gerrard's system? Do you think that Aston Villa can move up the table and try to get a European spot with the return of a Leon Bailey? Let me know all of this. Let me know what you're thinking. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Always remember, like, share, and subscribe.